Hi, thank Ray. Welcome to a new video. This is Biology 2 class with Miss Katherine Pinto. This week we are going to see viruses and prokaryotes. So let's start. But first, our value for July is the equity. And what equity means, that is the value treat men and women to have the same opportunities when it comes to being selected for a job. The disadvantaged people have the same possibilities to study as others with better economic conditions, or that we are all treated in the same way. Remember to practice this important value or your days, okay? Now we have viruses and prokaryotes. Viruses, like the one depicted in figure below, are tiny particles that may cause disease. Human disease caused by viruses include the common cold and flu, and this is how viruses looks like. So, continue with the topic. Viruses contain DNA but not much else. They lack the other parts shared by all cells, including a plasma membrane, cytoplasms, and ribosomes. Therefore, viruses aren't cells. But are they alive? Our living things not only have cells, they are also capable of reproduction. Viruses can't reproduce by themselves. Instead, they infect living hosts and use the host cell to make copies of their own DNA. Difference between viruses and prokaryotes. Human cells are eukaryotic, which means they are more complicated. Bacterial cells are prokaryotic, which means they are simpler, and viruses aren't even cells at all. They are just genetic material in a protein shell. Viruses are more like parasites. They need a host cell to reproduce. Viruses are very specialized on their host cells. Some only target certain human body cells. So now I have here a structure virus versus prokaryote. This is the structure for virus with DNA and protein code, and this is the structure of prokaryote. Viruses can come in different shapes but don't have a means of locomotion and tend to be smaller and less complex. So this is all, guys. Thank you for your attention. If you have a question, I can help you, okay? Bye.